In this video, I'll show you how to add a page border using WPS Office on your mobile device. Adding a border is a quick and easy way to give your document a cleaner, more refined, and more professional appearance. WPS Office offers flexible tools that let you design a border exactly the way you want. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can customize a border that matches your style. First, open the WPS Office app on your phone. Tap Create, then choose Doc. For this tutorial, we'll begin with a blank document. Once the empty page opens, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and tap the icon there to open additional options. This menu is where you can insert elements that will be used to form your page border. Tap Insert, then select Shapes. For this example, we'll choose a square shape to serve as the border. After placing the square on your page, resize it by dragging the small circles around the edges of the shape. Adjust it carefully so it frames your content or the area you want to highlight. When the shape is positioned properly, tap the bottom left icon again to bring up more formatting settings. From here, you can customize the look of your border. You can change the color, choose a different line style, or modify the thickness to make the border thinner or bolder. These options allow you to create anything from a simple outline to a strong, attention-grabbing frame. Feel free to test different color combinations, styles, and border widths until you find the design that best suits your document. Keep in mind that the border should enhance your content, not distract from it, so aim for a balanced and clean look. Once you're happy with the result, your page is ready to be saved or shared. This small design detail can greatly improve how your document looks, whether it's for school, work, or personal use. And that's it. You've successfully added a page border in WPS Office using your mobile device. If this video helped you, leave a comment below, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to tap the notification bell.